Guys, welcome back to my channel. There is first question. J, a partner, spent more time in the business, whereas T has provided the capital in the business. So he is not giving time to the business. As they don't have partnership deed, J claims a salary of 50,000 per month and T claims interest on capital at the rate 12% per annum. Now the question is asking that whose claim is admissible and whose not, and what is to be done in this case. So the answer to this is they're both of them won't get anything from the partnership firm. Their claims are not permissible because they don't have partnership deed. When deed is silent, in that very case, no salary, no commission, no remuneration is providable to the partners. No interest on capital is payable to the partners. No interest on drawings are charged from the partners, and profit sharing ratio is equal. And also, interest on loan payable to the partner is admissible at the rate 6% per annum. Mind you, here the point is that interest which is payable to the partner, that would be admissible only at the rate of 6% per annum. Now the second question there is, J wants to introduce his son D to the partnership firm, to which K disagrees, who is the co-partner in the firm. So as all the partners are not agreeing on the one page, so J's son cannot be admitted to the partnership firm. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.